Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You need to act now. Confirm your channel meets the eligibility thresholds. 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours in the last 12 months. Make sure your channel visibility is public. Enable two-step verification on your Google account and verify your identity. Once you reach those milestones, open YouTube Studio and click Monetization. That starts the application flow. You do not yet wait for review. Prepare your AdSense account and channel details so linking is immediate when prompted. Once AdSense is linked, complete payment and tax info so there are no delays. Make sure your channel has no active strikes and that content follows advertiser-friendly guidelines. Strikes or repeated policy issues will pause approval. Now optimize. Fix thumbnails, titles, descriptions, and playlists to boost watch time and clarifying content intent. Also set audience declarations correctly, mark made for kids or not, because incorrect settings can block monetization. Finally, run a self-audit of any claimed music or reuse elements that might trigger copyright. Submit your application in YouTube Studio and monitor the review status and your linked email for decisions or questions. Once approved, activate ad formats, channel memberships, super chat, and set ad preferences to start earning. Make sure to review revenue split and payout thresholds in AdSense. If your application is denied, read the rejection reasons carefully, address policy or content problems, remove strikes, and only reapply after fixing issues and the required wait period. One troubleshooting tip: if review stalls,
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.